Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House. I'm absolutely thrilled you're joining me today for something truly special. A complete full farmhouse tour inspired by the sophisticated rustic elegance of restoration. Hardware. If you're dreaming of creating that perfect autumn atmosphere with reclaimed wood textures, industrial touches, and the warmest lighting, you're in exactly the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love cozy full design as much as I do. Let's dive into this gorgeous transformation together. Starting with our exterior, the farmhouse facade sets the entire tone with its authentic weathered wood siding and that perfect greige tone RH is famous for. Notice how the oversized black metal hardware on the front door creates the industrial contrast, whereafter the vintage-inspired lantern sconces flanking the entrance aren't just beautiful, they're functional art pieces that welcome guests with warm, ambient lighting. Pro tip: layer different textures like the rough-hewn beams against smooth metal elements to create visual depth that feels both rustic and refined. Step inside to discover an entryway that's pure farmhouse poetry. This reclaimed wood bench with built-in storage keeps shoes organized while providing seating for busy mornings. Above, those matte black hooks aren't just practical, they're statement pieces that echo RH's industrial aesthetic. The aged bronze mirror reflects natural light beautifully, making the space feel larger and brighter. Don't overlook the vintage Persian runner. That sophisticated pattern while protecting your floors. Remember, entryways work best when every element serves both form and function. Our living room embodies the effortless RH elegance with its oversized linen sectional and warm oatmeal. See how the reclaimed wood coffee table anchors the seating arrangement while providing rustic hint. Rest to the soft fabrics. Those chunky, knit throws and vintage leather pillows aren't just cozy, they're textural storytellers. The industrial floor lamps with Edison bulbs create pools of warm light perfect for fall evenings. Key design principle: layer different materials like linen, leather, wood, and metal to create depth and visual interest that feels collected over time. Here's where the magic truly happens. Our dining room featuring that stunning reclaimed wood trestle table that could be straight from RH's catalog. The aged patina tells a story, while the substantial proportions make it perfect for gathering. Notice the leather Parsons chairs in rich cognac. They're comfortable enough for long conversations, yet sophisticated for special occasions. The oversized vintage chandelier creates dramatic focal height, while full branches and aged brass vessels bring nature indoors. Always remember, dining rooms should feel both elegant and lived in. Our kitchen seamlessly blends farmhouse charm with modern convenience through classic shaker-style cabinets in weathered sage green. The matte black hardware echoes our industrial theme while providing durability for daily use. That gorgeous butcher block island isn't just beautiful, it's incredibly functional for meal prep and casual dining. The vintage-inspired range hood and matching sage creates cohesion, while copper pots hanging from wrought iron hooks add warmth and accessibility. Pro tip: choose one hero color and repeat it throughout the space for visual continuity. This cozy family room proves that farmhouse style works beautifully for modern living with its oversized sectional and durable performance fabric. The reclaimed wood entertainment console houses are flat screen while maintaining rustic authenticity through its weathered finish and iron hardware. Notice how the vintage leather ottoman serves triple duty as extra seating, coffee table, and storage. The layered lighting, from table lamps to sconces, creates ambience for both movie nights and family game time. Even our work-from-home space embraces farmhouse elegance with this gorgeous reclaimed wood desk featuring industrial pipe legs. The vintage brass desk lamp provides focused task lighting while adding metallic warmth. That small collection of antique books and the vintage radio create personality without clutter. The key to successful home offices is balancing productivity with pieces that inspire creativity. Notice how the weathered wood floating shelves provide storage while maintaining our consistent material palette throughout the home. Every farmhouse needs a quiet retreat, and this reading nook delivers with its incredibly comfortable wing-back chair upholstered in soft linen. The vintage brass floor lamp provides perfect reading light, while the reclaimed wood side table holds your coffee and current book. The vintage Persian rug defines the space and adds sophisticated pattern. The key to creating successful reading nooks is ensuring comfortable seating, adequate lighting, and a surface for your essentials, all while maintaining the overall design aesthetic. Our master bedroom whispers tranquility through its palette of warm whites and natural materials. The reclaimed wood headboard makes a stunning statement, while the white oak nightstands provide beautiful contrast. Notice the layered bedding in various textures, linen, cotton, and wool, creating the effortlessly elegant look RH perfects. The vintage brass sconces free up nightstand space while providing ambient lighting. Remember, bedrooms should feel like peaceful retreats where every element contributes to rest and relaxation. Transform your daily routine in this spa-inspired bathroom featuring natural stone tiles and reclaimed wood vanity. The aged bronze fixtures add warmth while the marble countertop brings luxury. That gorgeous clawfoot tub positioned near the window creates a perfect soaking retreat. The vintage-inspired mirror and industrial sconces maintain our consistent style story. Pro tip: bathrooms benefit from mixing warm and cool materials. The warm wood against cool marble creates beautiful balance and visual interest. Even utilitarian spaces deserve style. The Skudge workshop features reclaimed wood workbenches with industrial pipe legs and vintage-inspired storage solutions. The pegboard wall keeps tools organized while adding texture, and those galvanized metal containers store supplies beautifully. The vintage factory pendants provide excellent task lighting while maintaining our industrial aesthetic. Remember, functional spaces work better when they're also beautiful. You actually want to spend time organizing and maintaining them. Extend your living space outdoors with this gorgeous covered patio featuring weather-resistant teak furniture and vintage-inspired lanterns. The reclaimed wood ceiling adds warmth while the stone floor provides durability. Notice the layered textiles, outdoor rugs, weather-resistant cushions, and cozy throws for cooler evenings. The vintage wooden bowls filled with seasonal gourds bring fall color naturally. Outdoor spaces should feel like extensions of your interior. Comfortable, stylish, and perfectly suited for your lifestyle. Throughout our entire tour, notice how lighting creates atmosphere and functionality. We've layered ambient lighting through chandeliers and sconces, task lighting via table and floor lamps, and accent lighting with candles and vintage fixtures. The warm Edison bulbs create that cozy fall glow we're after. The key is having multiple light sources at different heights to create depth and flexibility. Always install dimmers when possible. They're game changers for creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. Our sophisticated color story revolves around RH's signature warm neutrals, green walls, sage green accents, and the natural variation of reclaimed wood tones. These colors work beautifully together because they're all found in nature. The cognac leather and aged brass accents add richness, without overwhelming the serene palette. Pro tip: stick to a consistent color story throughout your home for visual flow, but vary the proportions and textures to maintain interest in each space. Full decorating in farmhouse style should feel organic and collected rather than contrived. We've used branches from the yard, seasonal gourds and vintage wooden bowls, and dried hydrangeas in aged brass vessels. The key is choosing elements that could have been gathered from your own property and displaying them in containers that feel authentic to the farmhouse aesthetic. Layer in cozy textiles like wool throws and cotton pillows to create that perfect fall atmosphere. Every furniture piece in our tour tells a story while serving daily life beautifully. The reclaimed wood pieces add authenticity and character, while performance fabrics ensure durability for real family living. Notice how we've mixed vintage finds with quality reproductions to create that collected over time feeling. The key to successful farmhouse style is choosing pieces that look beautiful but can handle everyday use, form, and function in perfect harmony. The magic of farmhouse style often lies in the accessories, those vintage books, aged brass vessels, natural elements, and collected treasures that make a house feel like home. We've used the rule of threes in our styling, varying heights and textures while maintaining our consistent material palette. Remember, accessories should feel purposeful and authentic rather than decorative for decoration's sake. Each piece should contribute to the overall story you're telling. You don't need an unlimited budget to achieve this sophisticated farmhouse look. Many of our accessories came from thrift stores and antique shops. The vintage radio, aged books, and brass vessels were incredible finds. Die projects like the floating shelves and pegboard organization saved significant money while adding personal touches. Focus your budget on key pieces like quality seating and invest time in hunting for authentic vintage accessories that add character without breaking the bank. Natural materials like reclaim, wood, and leather require specific care to maintain their beauty over time. Regular dusting and occasional conditioning keep wood pieces gorgeous, while quality leather benefits from periodic conditioning. The key is embracing the natural patina that develops. It adds to the authentic character we're seeking. Choose materials and finishes that age gracefully rather than requiring constant maintenance to look perfect. What an incredible journey we've taken together through this our each-inspired fall farmhouse. From weathered wood exteriors to cozy reading nooks, we've discovered how reclaimed materials, industrial hardware, and warm lighting create spaces that are both sophisticated and inviting. Remember, great design is about creating homes that reflect your lifestyle while inspiring daily joy. If this tour sparked ideas for your own space, I'd absolutely love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more design inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy decorating!